What's that sound? Oh. I need to stop it. Are you okay, Alex? Steffi, can you imagine? I thought a giant robot was attacking you. It's just me and my new Batman toy. Monsters are not real, Alex. Now come join me. Bad bike. What? What's that? Ah, you scared me. I must stop it. Are you okay, Alex? Lasha, I thought monsters were attacking you. You're so funny. Come play with me, Alex. Did you hear that? What is this? No, I need to be brave. Huh? Only toys. Where did the dinos go? Alex, are you okay? Come here, let's play together. Steffi, I saw scary monsters that are attacking here. Where are they? Haha, Alex, I told you, monsters don't exist. What's that sound?
Go away! Go away, God!
No monsters.
Oh, hey, Alex. Could you please help me clean up?
Yes, Ivan, I can. But where is the ghost?
Alex, ghosts don't exist, but dust does. Let's tidy up.
Uh-huh.
Done!
Ivan, can we play together now?
Yeah, sure. You did a great job. Let's play. Go up, go up. Nice job!
What's that sound? What is this? doing?
Hey Alex, come join our tea party.
Okay. What's that sound? This is so scary. I need to face my fears.
Come and join me, Alex.
Huh? Okay. Dad, I think it was a monster.
Oh, there is no such thing as monsters. It's just your imagination.
It's my imagination. Monsters are not real.
What would you like to watch?
Maybe something about animals.
Whoa!
Dad and Alex are watching TV. Let's have some fun.
Alex, do you hear the sound? Hear that?
No, Dad, it's just your imagination. Did I scare you? It's just me, Dasha. Look at this mess. Sorry, guys. I'll help you to clean up. Monsters are not real. Be brave and stay strong and face your fears.
Dasha, what did I tell you?
Oopsie. Huh? Who is there? Huh? I need to open the door.
Dasha, you cannot open the door to the strangers.
Huh? Who is there?
Hi, trick or treat.
Trick!
Time for a trick. Go for it. Think, enough. Come here. Don't be scared. This is my friend Thing.
Daddy, can Wednesday stay? I want to play with her friends.
No, Dasha, because your friend is so scary.
But I really want to play. Please.
No.
Mm. La, 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 la. My skeleton dog. Wow.
Dasha, no, 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 no. You can't open the door to the strangers.
Dad, who's there? Trick or treat. Trick. Ready for a trick? Yes, I am. Don't be scared. This is my friend. Daddy, can Beetlejuice stay? I want to play with his sandworm.
No, Dasha, because his sandworm is so dangerous.
No, he's just scared. Just try petting him.
I told you, Dasha, such a dangerous worm.
Dad, but I really want to play. Please.
No. Bye-bye. You forgot something.
Who's there? Hello. Huh? Let's see.
No, don't open the door to the strangers.
Daddy, can I look through the peephole?
Of course, Dasha.
Daddy, I see someone at the door. Dad, let's open. It's Alphaba. Hi. Trick or treat. Trick. Time for a trick, Dasha. Wow, Alphaba's broom. Abracadabra boom.
Wow, no way!
Check this out. Daddy, please, can Alphaba stay? I really want to play with her.
No. Come on, out!
Let's do some magic. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, it worked. Wow, this could be my Halloween cinema. Wow, this is awesome. A real Halloween feast. But it's no fun without my friends. Come on in. Wow. Guys, let's decorate our Halloween couches.
Okay, let's do it. Dasha, take this doll as a thank you gift from me.
So cute. I have a surprise too. Follow me, guys. Wow, yummy! Wow. Just look at this, guys. Yummy.
Dasha, why did I tell you?
Oopsie. Never open the door to somebody you don't know.
I want to do it. Alright, let's see who is the last to be found. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready or not, here I come. Not here. Maybe here. No. Maybe here. No. No. There's nobody here. Can't find anyone. Think. I can check the security cameras. Ivan's behind the couch. Let's get him. Ivan, where's Ivan? Oh no, I can't find Ivan. I should go upstairs. Gotcha!
What? I thought you would never find me here. Hey, Maria, what's that phone for?
I couldn't find anyone, so I checked the security cameras.
No, Maria, you are cheating.
Okay, then help me find Alex, Dasha, and Steffi if you think it's so simple.
No, I have a better idea. Let's check the CCTV.
Yeah. Huh? What is this? I haven't seen this before.
Hey, Maria, let's go check this out.
No, thank you. Only after you.
No, come on, don't be a coward.
No, thank you. Let's check where Steffi is.
No way! How did this all get here? What is that? Whoa! That's definitely not human size. And who left this here? Looks like something a skeleton would wear. Oh.
Shh. Come on, Steffi. Where are you hiding? Gotcha! I'm coming for you, Steffi.
Oh no, Maria! I have skeleton hands! Oh, my arms! My arms! I pranked you! Look at your face!
Very funny, Ivan. Now let's go find Steffi. I know where she is. Gosh, Steffi? Huh? No! Steffi, is that you?
Maria, don't be a crybaby. Let's go check it out.
Ivan, don't be a crybaby.
No way, you found me, guys.
All right, now let's check where Dasha and Alex are. Can't believe those giant shoes are gone.
Me too. Let's check it out.
What is this all about?
Don't worry, Steffi. We'll tell you on the way. Let's go. Let's go.
Whoa, what is this?
That's interesting. Let's open it up.
Check it out. Whoa. Why is there even a snake in there?
Wow. This all is definitely skeleton stuff. Now I have no doubts.
Guys, I think I heard something.
Maybe it's Alex and Dasha. Let's go check it out.
Yeah.
What? Huh?
This is not Dasha and Alex. It's... What?
Huh?
No!
2 hours later.
Let's go.
Guys, I think it's the skeleton who took Dasha and Alex. Maybe.
Hey, don't panic. Let's check the CCTV first. See? It's all now clear, girls. Let's go check downstairs.
Okay, let's go.
That's the skeleton. He's our friend. Let's go play.
Hello?
Huh?
Your friend?
Play with him?
Yes. Let's go outside. and we will show you.
Okay, let's play.
Aha!
Daddy, it was you!
Yeah.
I love my collection. Hello. Huh? What the pop? It's moving? I need to fix this. Where's my wand? Pika pika. Pika pika. Huh? What's going on? Huh? Giant Pikachu! Run! Let's hide here quick and turn off the lights. Who's that? I gotta get all my toys back before these giants wreck everything. But first, I gotta get my wand back. What's Pikachu doing here? Is Pikachu dancing in my living room? It looks happy. My wand. Gotcha. Thunderball! Over here! Here! Someone help! Help! Someone! Here! Fire! Fire! Thanks, Sasha. You came just in time. Anytime, Steffi. So, what happened here, Steffi? All my toys came to life and ran away. Could you believe that? Huh? Really? I got one back, but I will need your help with the others. Of course I'll help you. Challenge accepted. Let's catch them. All right, let's find the toys. I can't believe this. It's a giant tree. I am Groot. You're cute, but I promise Steffi I'll turn you back. Time to go back to the shelf. Whoa!
I'm Iron Man. Hi, Steffi. 4 siblings. Vania Mania kids.
Oh, so cool. But it's time to turn you back into a toy, Iron Man. Let's go. Whoa, look at him.
I'm Batman. I work alone.
Batman, you're so fun. But I need to turn you back into a toy. Let's go back, Batman. Whoa! Flying objects. Good tricks, Harry, but it's time to go back.
I am here. Plus Ultra.
Huh? Oh my! Yes! I'm Loki of Asgard. Huh? Who's the real one? What? Where did they disappear to? No way, he's teleporting. Huh? Huh? Gotcha.
I'm looking for adventures. Hero is dangerous.
What's going on here? Time to go back. Huh?
I'm here to take over this room.
You again? I thought we agreed earlier. No scaring me after 8 p.m. Okay, Darth Vader, back on the shelf. Let's go. Thanks, Dasha. Girls, look what I found! A magic wand! Oh, no! Stop, Alex! Stop! No, 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 no! Guys, what happened?
Uh-oh.
I'm Hulk! Ah! Everything is gonna be fine. Who is here? There's a monster under my bed! I need to hide! Someone please help me! Help me!
Is it Alex's voice? Alex, what is happening here?
There's a terrible monster under my bed.
Don't worry, Alex. Alex, monsters don't exist. It's just your imagination.
You don't believe me? Look under the bed.
Monster, it's time for breakfast. Wow, that's a surprise. Huh? You could left some for us.
Yeah, but let's call grown-ups for help.
No, we will handle it ourselves. You know what? Let's feed him some more. Maybe then he will leave.
Okay, I'll make something to eat. Yummy. 1, 2. Wow. The food is finished.
Oh, nice, Alex. So here's the plan. I put the food and you catch the monster.
Okay, I'm ready. The food is gone.
Now we'll get him in no time.
Yeah, but he's still here.
Oh, yo, 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 yo.
There's no one here. Maybe he's full and he left?
He's here, 100%. Give me that brush.
Alex, stop it. There is no one there.
Help me, yep.
Hold on, Alex. Monster, eat the brush.
I'm even more scared now. Hurry up, Yeva.
That's it, monster. Enough hiding under the bed. I'll catch you. Monster! Not again! Alex, help me!
Hey!
Oh, he's really strong and his claws are huge. We can't defeat him that easy. He's gonna get it now. 1, 2, 3.
Huh? Who is there, Yeva?
Why are you trying to hit me?
What are you doing here?
Dad, be careful, there's monsters there.
There are no monsters there. It was me.
Huh?
What about the food? Who ate all the food and the vacuum brush?
It was me. I was fixing the bed. I was too hungry. Couldn't resist.
Turns out I just see things.
I knew it, Alex.
Kids, remember, there are no monsters. All of these characters are made in our heads.
So, the monsters live in my head. Get them out!
No, there is no monsters at all. Our heads just make them up to scare us. Although, there's one monster that does exist.
What kind of monster?
The tickler. And now he's going to tickle you.